So one of the things that I'm looking for some advice on is, as you walk into our house, we've got this big, beautiful wall that we just don't know what to do with. So it would be great to get some information or some products around that and some advice around that.
It's a beautiful house, so
Ticking lots
spacious.
of boxes today. Remember, add us on social media. We'd love to see you there as well. We're on Facebook and Instagram.
Now, if you're looking for a stylish, affordable and easy way to spruce up a room, I would say my go-to would be a feature wall of some sort. But gone are the days of the old cringe feature wall, single bright colour, dark, all of that kind of stuff. No. We're done with that.
So we're not cracking up the purple paint and getting a rag roller?
Not today.
Do you remember those? Like 2007, 2008?
Definitely was my teenage years.
I've seen your interior design. It's actually not too dissimilar these days. Well, look, builders and renovators these days are working smarter, not harder. And I kind of feel that this wall here might be a good candidate for a bit of Healthy Homes magic.
Maybe like a mural of us?
Yeah, should we do pressure approaches?
Yes. Now, if you are after a no mess, no fuss, and super luxurious look, then these are absolutely brilliant. They're a high quality wall panel that you can literally cut to size and stick directly to the wall.
They're so good.
They are so good. Now, they are called StickWall. You don't need any specialist tools at all. All you do is cut them down to size and then pop them on the wall.
They worked hard at the name, didn't they?
They did
Stick
work hard
wall.
at the name. I think the fact that they're super easy to install is...
They're amazing. So there's quite a few different colours and patterns and things to choose from.
Yep.
So for Karen and Damien,
Yep.
we have gone for, this is a Silverstone oak or
Silverstone.
Silverstone, depending on where you're from.
Silverstone.
And I think this is really change the dynamic of the room. So it'll
Yeah.
bring up the aesthetic a little bit and it'll just add a kind of luxurious vibe to it, I think.
You're 100% correct. I think also the fact that you can see the particular wall that we're cladding today from the front door. So as soon as you enter the home, it'll then draw you through to the back half of the home. So,
And because we're a bit short on time, not that we couldn't do this ourselves,
Oh, no.
we brought in the big guns. Dave, how you going, mate?
Fantastic.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for giving us a hand today. Now, look, as Walt said, we are perfectly capable of doing this ourselves. But for all the DIYers out there, what would be your top tips to install this well today?
So we don't all have this.
No.
No, exactly right. So we're the professionals, so we come in with all our tools, but for the standard sort of homeowner,
Yep.
first sort of key item is the prep work.
Yep.
So making sure all the screws removed, fixings, photo frame, hooks, those sort of things.
Yeah.
Real
Clean.
basics. Correct, yeah. So
Yep.
give them a nice clean down, sometimes sugar soap,
Yep.
damp cloth, really wipe so then the adhesive can stick properly.
So presumably then, you're gonna have to really stand back and make sure, because you're gonna use the glue. They've got a sticky pack panel you peel off and then you put glue in the little holes, right?
Correct. So there's 20 holes on the back of the board, a full
Yeah.
board, and we're going to do sort of 15 or so today.
Okay.
You just got to make sure you do at least 50%.
Yep.
Just
And
mention that never coming off.
so
They
it's
are
definitely
never
stuck.
moving. Now, I did just say that you don't need specialist tools. So if you don't have a drop saw or mechanical saw or anything like that at home, how do we actually cut these?
So the best way is to
Yeah, let's
use,
have a look.
say, speed, square, and a knife.
Yep.
Yeah.
And it's just scoring your mark. And you sort of do it 3 times on the face and then once or twice on the back.
Okay.
And then you can just snap and peel.
Can you?
Okay.
So a light little sand off on the
Yeah.
edge, and then it's just like another factory joint.
We'll take a quick break and we're back with more Healthy Homes Australia in just a few moments.
I can't get enough all the love. Give me that good time feeling. Give me
Welcome back to the show. Now, earlier on, we got to work on creating this pretty incredible feature wall behind me. And when I say we, I use that term loosely, not Walt and I, basically. But I love how simple this product actually is. You can see now the guys are doing a blob of adhesive, so flexible adhesive, something like a liquid nails, to at least 50% of the little holes on the back of each panel. So after that, they literally just peel off the brown paper and stick it really firmly against the wall. But you need to make sure when you do get to this stage that you have measured properly and you are confident, because once it's stuck on that wall, it is not coming off.
But you get the hang of it.
Yeah.
Once you've done a couple, you start to get the hang of it.
Totally.
So much so, I'm gonna do my first one.
Be scared.
Do you trust me? Dave's a little bit nervous.
I'm nervous.
So we've blobbed.
You've blobbed.
We've blobbed, we've peeled, and now we're gonna apply.
At least 50%.
Yeah. So we're going to just line the bottom up, are we, first?
You go in first in the corner there,
Yeah.
roll the top. And I come down and
Oh, that was easy. I could probably do this whole thing myself, boys, if you're not going to have lunch break or something.
a bit of fun over there.
Should have.
tag you in and
Yeah.
you've had your introduction now. You ready to go?
It's pretty good, isn't it?
Gonna throw another one in, Bob.
Oh, I think it's lunchtime. I'm not sure if whether. Just leave you guys.
I can't get enough, no, I can't get enough. I can't get enough, no, I can't get enough. I can't get enough, no, I can't get enough.
Now this is such a great idea and definitely something that you can have a crack at yourself this weekend. Head to the website stickwall.com.au. You can view more information and see all the colours as well.
Are we ready?
We're ready.
Are we ready? Coming in, guys.
Wow,
What do you think?
that's really nice.
It's come up okay, hasn't it, really?
Yeah, that looks amazing. I can't believe they got that all done so quickly today.
know.
It looks so good.
This is why we call in the heavies when we
Yeah.
have practical work like this.
Very busy during the day. But look, for an affordable, easy transformation that you
Yep.
can do yourself this weekend, it's such a great idea.
Yep.
And it has lifted this whole room.
Yeah, it looks
really has,
amazing.
yeah.
It really has made this really
Hits you as soon as you
different.
walk through the front door.
It does, yeah.
Exactly what I wanted.
And Karen, you know, there's probably a couple of little walls